Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rameez Abid from Department of Livestock Management, Cholistan University of Vet and Animal Sciences, Bahawalpur, Pakistan. My seminar topic is Recent Trends in Small Ruminants Farming. Small ruminants applies to sheep and goats and their exotic relatives of the genus Ovis and Capra. These are the small ruminants that applies toward sheep and goats and their exotic relatives of the genus Ovis and Capra. First of all, sheep is domesticated from wild species by at least 5000 BCE, raised for their fleece, wool, milk, and meat purpose. More than 200 breeds in the world. In Pakistan, there are 28 sheep breeds in the Pakistan with a total population of 32.7 million, according to the Economic Survey of Pakistan 2023 and 2024. First of all, we will talk about the USA Sheep Industry. American Sheep Industry Association recognizes 47 different breeds of sheep in the US. These breeds are classified into six different breed types of the which are meat, fine wool, long wool, dual purpose, hair purpose, and minor breeds. Their purpose, these are divided into six classes. If we talk about our neighbor India, Dale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri ewes and Merino rams. In today's world, we are working on GMOs, and before that there was crossbreeding that was developed and applied throughout the world, and this is from that area about 10 or 15 years ago. That was the purpose, and these breeds were developed from sheep, goat, and cattle buffalo. That is the example of the crossbreeding for the desirable characteristics. If we talk about Pakistan, it was a project by the US government. Ramboile sheep were imported from USA. This is the French breed, and it was imported from France to USA. Then it is imported in Pakistan from US. Pure rams were distributed among the sheep farmers in the Swat Valley. 90% of the sheep population became crossbred. These mature rams were imported and distributed in the valley to the villagers, and this is the data of the crossbreeding. The crossbred sheep that were survival rate was 93% in crossbred, whereas it was 84% in local sheep. The quality of wool was also improved from 30 micron to 23 micron in local and crossbred sheep respectively. Next is goat. It has about 200 breeds throughout the world. Pakistan has 35 distinct goat breeds, mostly of medium size, with a total population of 87 million 2014 data. Angora goats originated in Asia Minor with early references in Sumerian cuneiform tablets and Bible dating the origin of the breed between the 12th and 15th centuries BC. The name Angora came from Ankara, Turkey, where the Angora goat became well established. This is a goat and has a wool type fiber that is very expensive and is used for the fabric. Now this was the introduction, and we are moving to the recent trends. Recent trends in small ruminants production are production systems and sustainability, genetics and breeding, nutrition, products, meat, wool, hair, reproduction physiology, lactation and dairy technology, products and quality, health and welfare. These all sectors have numerous and progressive recent trends. Management, artificial womb. This is the recent trend. In 1998, cloning was done in the sheep. That was a very recent trend. Now Health and disease free zones for export in different countries are declared. This is also a recent trend. Nutrition, GMOs, and transgenic. These are the recent trends in livestock, small ruminants farming. The latest recent trend is precision livestock farming, sensor based solutions for the livestock industry. When we talk about in thousands and millions of the animals and their management, in that case, precision livestock farming is the most recent trend in the industry. So we applied sensor based solutions in the terms of microphones, in the terms of cameras, in the terms of uh, weighing balances or anything else. Collect data automatically and in real time, enabling the early detection of specific problems, production loss, poor health, and threats to well being at the group or individual level. This technological approach is currently known as precision livestock farming, consists of measuring variables, modeling the data to select information, and then using these models in real time for monitoring and control. As it is measuring variables, these variables are in the terms of feed intake, in the term of water intake, in the term of concentrates, or in the term of production traits, live weight. If we are talking about the dairy, we are this is measuring variable milk, daily milk, or a time milk. If we have divided in one time, two time, or three time milking, these are different measuring variables. And also there are cameras and which detect abnormal situation or their expressions, and we do the modeling of the data and then using these models in real time for monitoring and controlling. As a further step of automation, sensors used in PLF systems should ideally be connected to platforms that enable artificial intelligence solutions, Internet of Things, smart network objects. These are the most required systems to proceed with this type of technology. This is the picture of precision livestock farming. This is the flow chart, how the data is recorded, non-sensor data, economic data, detection, algorithm, labeling, decision modeling, gold standard, limits, inputs, animal. This is the flow chart of the system.